Students, Assalamu alaikum. Botany second year, chapter number 3, lecture number 5, page number 90. Topic Cytokinins. Students, today you will study third important hormone, that is cytokinins. Cytokinins are most abundant in those parts where rapid cell division takes place, particularly in fruits and seeds, because seeds are associated with embryo growth. In fruits and seeds, it is due to cytokinin. Now we will discuss effects of cytokinin. Number 1, it promotes cell division in apical meristem. It promotes cell division in apical meristem only in the presence of auxin. It is located at the tip of the stem. Apical meristem is located at the tip of the stem. Number 2, inhibit primary root growth. Number 3, promote lateral root growth. Number 4, promote bud initiation and leaf growth. Bud initiation and leaf growth. It is also associated with bud initiation and leaf growth. Number 5, promote fruit growth but rarely induces parthenocarpy. And it is a condition, parthenocarpy is a condition in which seedless fruits are formed. Number 6, promote bud dormancy. Number 7, causes delay in leaf senescence. It is aging of the leaf. It is abscission of the leaf and it delays aging of the leaf. यानी उनको ड्रॉप होने से रोकता है और उनको ज़्यादा देर तक ग्रीन और फ्रेश रखता है. ये हार्मोन साइटोकाइनिन लीव्स को बहुत अरसे तक ग्रीन और फ्रेश रखता है. नंबर 8, promote stomatal opening. Stomata opens in the presence of light. It promotes stomatal opening and stomata open in the presence of light. It means it is under the control of hormone. Now we come to commercial application of cytokinin. Cytokinin used to delay aging of fresh crops like cabbage and lettuce, as well as keeping the flowers fresh. They are also used to break the dormancy of seeds. Dormancy is inactive period of the seeds. When it starts its germination, then it can grow into a new plant. So this hormone breaks the dormancy of seed at the time of germination.